Hello, we are asked to find the value of a plus b in 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b, and this is equal to 1 divided by 17. How do we go about doing this? As we solve, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now, we are going to look for the lowest common multiple of 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b, and that will give us ab. So what I will simply do is multiply both sides by ab. So I'll have ab multiplying 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b, and this will be equal to ab multiplying 1 divided by 17. That will give me ab divided by 17. Good. Now in this part, I'm going to multiply. This will become ab divided by a plus ab divided by b, and this will be equal to ab divided by 17. So what do we do? A cancel out a, while b cancel out b, and then we'll be left with b plus a equal to ab divided by 17. Great. So having simplified that, what do we do next? We need to clear out the fraction, and the fraction is 17. So we'll multiply both sides by 17. So if we'll have this, we'll have b plus a multiplying 17 equal to ab divided by 17 multiplying 17. From here, you find out that 17 will cancel out 17, and then we'll be left with 17b plus 17a, and that will be equal to ab. Great. Now at this point, we are going to simplify. Now at this point, what do we truly need to simplify? If I bring this expression together, I'll have my ab minus, this will be ab minus 17b, because this will cross over the equal to sign to give us 17a, and all of this will be equal to 0. Now let's check out something. 17 multiplying 17 will be equal to 7 times 7 will give us 49, alright? And if you 7 times 1 will give us 7 plus 1, that will give us 11. If we multiply these two, we're going to have 289, right? We will have 289. So I'm going to do something. In this expression, I'm going to add 289 and subtract 289. That way, I won't touch the expression. So this will give me ab minus 17b minus 17a, right? And this will be plus 289 minus 289 equal to 0. I haven't changed anything. It's like putting something and subtracting that same thing from one expression. This is to make this expression easy for me to simplify. So if I have this expression, I can simply expand now. I have my a, so this will give me ab. This is going to give me ab minus 17b minus 17a plus 289, right? If I expand this, I'm going to have this expression to give me minus 289 to be equal to 0. So let me regroup this. If I group this and group this, then I'll be left with this. So what I'll do is, I have a common term here. I have b AB divided by B will give me A minus 17, right? And this will give me negative. 17 is common over here. Then 17A divided by A will give me A, and this will give me negative 17, right? And this will give me minus 289, and this is equal to 0. I won't factor out this. I have two common factor, and that is going to give me A minus 17 multiplying B minus 17, and this will be minus or equal to 289. Great. So having gotten this expression, this forms the basis of our simplification. Now 289 can be able to give us some expression. 1 multiplied by 289 can give us 289 in one case, right? I can still have 17 multiplying 17 can still give us 289. I can still have my 289 multiplying 1, that can still give us 289. So that means that these two expressions, if I multiply these two expressions by any of these three cases, I'm going to have this solution to A and B. Now I'm going to take this as case 1, I'll take this as case 2, and I'll take this as case 3. In my case 1, I have this equating this, and I have this equating this. Now if I have this equating this and this equating this, that will now give me the expression A minus 17 multiplying B minus 17, and this will be equal to 1 multiplying 289. So from that expression, I can simply say my A plus A minus 17 is equal to 1, or I can have my B minus 17 will be equal to 289, right? So if I simplify this, I'll have my A to be equal to 1 plus 17, and then my A will be equal to 18. That's case 1. Or I can have my B to be equal to 289 plus 17, and then I'll have my B to be equal to 306, right? 9 plus this is 6, so we'll have this. So from this expression, we can see that A plus B can be equal to 18 plus 2 or 306. So that will give us A plus B to be equal to 18 plus 306 is going to give us 18 plus 306 is going to give us 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So this will give us 3, 2, 4, right? And that is the value of A plus B from case 1. So we'll have this as our case 1. Now in case 2, we're going to consider 17 multiplying 17. In case 2, we have A minus 17 multiplying B minus 17, and this is equal to 17 multiplying 17. Now what do we have? We're going to have this expression as case 2. We'll have A minus 17 to be equal to 17, or we'll have B minus 17 to to be equal to 17. So if we simplify this, we're going to have the a to be equal to 17 plus 17, and then our a will be equal to 7 plus 7 is 14, and this will give us 34, right? And here we'll have our b to be equal to 17 plus 17, and then our b will be equal to 34. Now our a plus b will be equal to 34 plus 34, and what would that give us? 34 plus 34, a plus b will be equal to 34 plus 34 is going to give us 68, and this is the solution to that math expression given to us up there. Now in the third case, case 3, we can have this to become a minus 17, and we'll have b minus 17, and this will be equal to 1 multiplying 2 or 289, right? That will give us 289. The first one we did 1 multiplying 289, right? So this one we're going to have 289 multiplying 1, and that expression will now give us a minus 17 equal to 89, or we'll have b minus 17 will be equal to 1. Then a will be equal to 289 plus 17. We'll have a to be equal to 306. Here b will be equal to 1 plus 17, and then b will be equal to 18. Now considering these two expressions, we can have a plus b will be equal to 306 plus 18, and then a plus b will be equal to 324, just like we have in the first case. So the solution to this expression, a plus b, can be 342, and it can also be equal to 68, and it can also be equal to 324, just as we have been given up there. So you see, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content.